If you own an industrial or commercial building with an ageing roof, there's a good chance you're facing one of three problems. The roof is starting to leak, the insulation is poor and energy costs are rising. Or the roof contains asbestos and you're being told it needs to be removed. Traditionally, the answer has always been the same: strip the roof off and replace it. But that approach can be incredibly disruptive and expensive. Removing asbestos roofs requires specialist contractors, building shutdowns, waste disposal costs and significant program delays and unforeseen curveballs. What many business owners don't realise is that there is often a much smarter option. RMD Profiles, we work with fully engineered refurbishment roofing systems that allow existing roofs to be upgraded without always removing the structure underneath. In many cases, we can install a new insulated roof system directly over the existing roof, including asbestos cement roofs, leaving the original roof safely encapsulated. That means you avoid the cost and disruption of the asbestos removal. Your building can remain operational during the works. You upgrade the insulation and performance of the building, and in many cases the project may qualify for land remediation tax relief, which can allow companies to reclaim up to 150% of the qualifying costs through corporate tax. Not a lot of people know that. So instead of repeatedly repairing an ageing roof, building owners can turn a liability into a long-term asset improvement. Depending on the condition of the existing structure, there are two main solutions. The first is an overclad refurbishment system, which upgrades the existing roof while leaving it in place. The second is a full strip and replacement twin skin roofing system, used when the roof has reached the end of its life and needs a complete upgrade. Both systems can be supplied with full technical support for contractors or delivered as a complete supply and installation package and are backed by structured long-term system warranties. If you're responsible for a building with an ageing roof, it's worth understanding the options before committing to expensive removal works. Send us your drawings, photos or basic building information, or give us a call and we'll have a conversation. We'll help you assess the most cost-effective solution for your property.